reface cabinets like an expert. First, remove all the bottom trim pieces and prep the entire area with the appropriate protection paper and masking tape. Lightly sand all surfaces with a 400 grit sanding pad. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove all the hardware along with the door and drawer fronts. Next, prep the inside of the cabinet with paper and masking tape. Don't be stingy. Use an HVLP sprayer. Hit all sides, then one quick run on the top. Repeat for all the trim. Use a 400 grit sanding sponge between coats and don't sand the last coat. Don't worry about the blotches in the lacquer, it'll smooth out when it dries on a horizontal plane. When it comes to sealing, drying, and taking color, lacquer is the preferred medium. Make sure all fans are channeling the airflow one direction out of the house. With an HVLP gun, shoot lacquer onto the cabinet base. This was an easy job to do because the original stain was lacquer, not shellac, not polyurethane, not anything oil-based or jelly stain. Uh-oh, I had a common mistake, a lacquer run. And this is how you fix it. Dab it with masking tape rolled up in a circle and apply it like so. Sand lightly when dried in between. Lacquer is very forgiving. Here is the finished product in natural brown. A very popular choice as it contrasts with the white granite countertops and really showcases the kitchen. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Be sure to check out All Aboard Woodworks in the Richland, Kennewick, and Pasco area of Washington State.